in Southern Oregon and we are headed off to 2 adventures today. The first stop is, and correct me if I'm wrong in the pronunciation of this, if you know how to say it, Toketee Falls, Toketee Falls, I'm not sure how you say it. And then we are also going to be going to Crater Lake. Vlogging on the iPhone because we are currently charging our battery. Apparently we thought it was charged and it's dead, so hopefully it's not dead and we don't have to use our camera phone the whole time, but we'll just see what happens. But we are both wearing black and red plaid, so that's a cool thing. And
yeah, that's pretty cool.
We've got PETA and we're in Southern Oregon and we are headed off to 2 adventures today. The first stop is, and correct me if I'm wrong in the pronunciation of this, if you know how to say it, Toketee Falls, Toketee Falls, I'm not sure how you say it. If you're from Oregon and you know, comment below and let us know how you say it. But we are heading there, so that will be this vlog. And then we are also going to be going to Crater Lake. That was like our main reason for coming down here, but then we realized that the falls was so close and we've been dying to go because we've seen like all over Instagram. So yeah, we just got our Dutch Bros coffee because we're in the Dutch Bros motherland.
The motherland.
Yeah, and we are on the road right now in Medford, headed to the falls in Crater Lake. So we will check back in with you soon, and hopefully our camera will be charged and working.
Yeah, she accused me of grabbing the wrong one.
I mean, you might have, but I charged the camera.
That's the one.
We both saw the green light that the camera was charged.
Yep, we did. So
who knows?
We'll find out.
I'm kind of wondering like what way we're gonna go, because my grandma used to live down here, and I'm wondering if we're gonna like go close to by her old house or not. That'd be funny. So anyways, all right, see you guys in a little bit. All right, we made it finally to the falls, so we're gonna get out and hike this trail. Are you going, PETA? You going on a trail?
PETA going?
She doesn't know what's happening, but she's excited that she gets to do something, so.
Dun 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun,
PETA! Alright guys, we are heading down the trailhead. Well, this is kind of cool. That thing, big tube, it's full of water.
Big tube full of water.
Big tube full of water.
So,
here's the start of the trailhead. Whoa, look at that. Looks pretty epic, people. Thundering waters. Nature as a sculptor. That's cool. Ooh, there's the Pacific Corp. There's that little water tube right there.
what is it?
It's a 12-foot diameter redwood stave flow line pipeline visible to your right. Development in North Umpqua hydroelectric project. Completed in 1949.
Yeah. All right, let's go on this
Cool.
trail.
Okay.
It says it's easy-ish and it's like 0.8 mile round trip hike, so we figured it'd be good with the little dog to do, and
Yep.
we just really wanted to see these falls, but it's cold, so let's get moving.
It's not too bad.
I brought my leggings.
Should have brought the leggings. All right, PETA, show us the way. Follow
Little bridge
PETA.
Come on, PETA. She's like better at following than leading. PETA can.
pretty.
That's so pretty.
Like it here?
Yeah, it's a nice trail. I mean, it's not too muddy currently either, so that's kind of nice. But oh, that water is so pretty. I'm so excited to see this waterfall.
Chelsea wants to go swimming right now.
No, I'm freezing. Oh, you could kind of like go down there if you wanted to.
Go down in the water.
A little off trail.
All right, babe, let's go do it. Swim.
Yeah.
The polar swim. It's pretty cool up here, guys. It's I think the start of it.
Look at that down there. That's so cool. It looks awesome.
Yeah, I don't know. I think we can go down there. Got the guardrail here for safety. See what it looks like up here. Look down. Whoa, look at that. Crystal clear water. That's pretty cool.
Whoa, that is crazy.
It's nice that they built these good steps.
Yeah, there's a lot of steps.
Yeah.
It's funny. We climbed up. Now we're going back down, I think.
Yeah, because I mean the river's way down there. It's like a really deep gorge.
So I wonder where this goes to.
Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, they do a good job. This is probably one of the best maintained trails we've been on, I think. I don't know what you think.
I mean, like, what do you mean?
Well, I mean just like the work they put in building the steps, and they got the rails here.
Yeah, the rails are really nice because it's definitely a drop off.
Yeah, it's pretty steep down.
So for kids and stuff, that makes parents feel safer.
Yeah. It's definitely a nice trail. Pretty easy walk too.
Yeah, pretty easy. The steps would be the only hard part, but there's not a lot of them, but
No.
keep that in mind.
Yeah, see there's the river all the way down there.
Whoa, interesting.
I wonder where the falls is.
I know. I have no idea.
That wasn't very far. It only it's less than a half mile each way. So
I don't know if the trail goes like all the way down to the base. Because I was like reading like online that some people will climb off trail and go down to the actual base.
Oh.
Or whatever. So
We'll have to find
we'll have
out.
to see. I don't think we'll go down today off trail, but
Yeah, see they got these nice rock
if
steps
there's a
too.
turn or something maybe.
Yeah.
We'll have to just see what happens.
Yeah, like, ground's frozen, rocks are real slippery.
Yeah, so I probably want to be safe.
No, gotta be safe. Well, we've reached the end of the trail right down there.
There's just a viewpoint.
It's the viewpoint of the falls. There's the falls.
But I know there's a way to get down there. I've seen Instagram pictures, and I know people do, but I think where we saw those trucks on the highway.
Oh, yeah, that's
But
probably...
we won't do that today.
Yeah.
Because we got Pete and stuff.
Yeah,
If we were somehow around here in the summertime again, we might do that.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go here from the viewpoint. We're gonna snap some photos. Maybe Chelsea will get some B-roll. And then we'll head back out of here. These steps are a little slick though. So if you come here in the winter time, you can definitely walk this step. But yeah, that's pretty cool there. Not a bad view. That's pretty neat. Bunch of doggies down there.
Here's a view from the top of the falls. Really pretty, little mist still rising. We keep getting like things dropping on our head, like little drops of water, only it's not drops of water, it's so cold that the raindrops are like ice. I'm gonna show you one up close, but it's kind of funny. So the ground just has like all these little tiny mini iced raindrops. See that? That's what's falling on our head, those little tiny iced raindrops. You can see them all over the ground. It's funny. Well, we are finishing up the trail just about to the parking lot. PETA is done walking on steps, but it was a good little falls. It was really, really pretty. As you can see, it's popular just because it's so picturesque and the cool rock formations on the side. Easy trail, lots of steps, didn't bother me. Could potentially bother other people, but I thought it was like pretty easy and really, really quick. So if you're near Crater Lake, like on the way to Crater Lake, it's a good maybe possible stop. In the summer, it'd be fun to come and try to like get down more to the falls. But what did you think of it?
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty easy.
Yeah.
Didn't take too long at all.
Good for the little dog. So yeah, that is it. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. Now don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our adventures. We're off to Crater Lake and that will be in the next vlog. So we will see you then. Bye guys.